Imam Hussein Holy Shrine announced that Karbala International Airport will receive the first aeroplane in 2018. The announcement was made in a press conference held on Saturday, February 25, 2017, when the Iraqi National Investment Commission handed over the license of building the airport to the Imam Hussein Holy Shrine. The Holy Shrine's chief cleric, Sheikh Abdul-Mahdi al-Kerbalaey, said that all the procedures had been completed and such a process took 2 years of constant work to be accomplished. A committee of expert engineers will be formed in order to assist in building an exceptional airport according to international standards.